Today we are going to start with exercise 8.2 here. Exercise 8.2. Convert the given fractional numbers into percentage. We have to convert 1/8 into percentage. To convert any number into percentage, remember that you have to multiply always with 100%. So when you are going to multiply it with 100%, so how much will you be getting? 100 is 100 upon 8%. Now you can cut the number and change it into the lowest form. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. That means 12.5%. In this way, you are going to cut the numbers and change it into the lowest form. And in this way, you will be taking out the percentage because only percentage is left over here. So we'll put over here and 12.5 is the answer. So in this way, you are going to convert fractional number into the percentage. Clear? Let's start with B part 5/4. Yes, Fiona, you have raised your hand. Start with B part.
Ma'am, I can't understand the A part as well.
Because you have to multiply it with 100%, beta. 5/4. It's given there.
I multiply 100%.
100%. So 500s are 500 upon 4. Now change it to the lowest form. You have to cut this number. 4 1s are 4. Either you can divide the number simply or you can cut the numbers. 4 1s are 4. 1 is left. 4 2s are 8. 2 is left. 4 5s are 20. So it will be 125%.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This way only you have to do it.
Okay.
In question number 2, we have to convert decimal into the percentage. 0.65. As you can see here, after decimal, there are 2 digits. After decimal, there are 2 digits. So what you are going to do, when you are converting this decimal number into the fractional, whatever the number of digits after the decimal is there, number of zeros will be there below in the denominator, like that. 65 upon 100. 2 zeros will be there if after decimal 2 digits are there. Okay, so it will be like that, 65 upon 100. Now to convert this fraction into percentage, as you have done in question number 1, you are converting the fraction into the percentage. Now this is a fraction, 65 upon 100. We have to convert this fraction into percentage now. So for this, we are going to multiply it with 100%. 100 and 100 will cancel out. 65 is remain. So 65% will be the answer. Is it clear? B part 2.1 is given. So as you can see, after decimal only 1 digit is there. So we can, when you are converting this number into fraction, you can write 21 upon 20. Because after decimal only 1 digit is there. So we can write upon 10 here when you're converting this decimal number into fraction. Now multiply it with 100%. 0 will be cancelled with 0. 1 0 will be cancelled with 0. So 21 multiply 10. When you are multiplying 21 by 10%, you are getting 210%. That is the answer. Is it understood? Or any doubt? So in number 1, you have understood that how to convert the fraction into the percentage, and in question number 2 you have understood how to convert the decimal into the percentage. Clear? In this question number 3, estimate what part of the figure is colored, and hence we have to find out the percentage which is colored here. So as you can see the figure, this one circle is divided into 4 equal parts and only one part is colored. That means whole circle is, total number of circles are 4, total number of parts are 4, and only one part is colored. So the fraction will become 1/4. That's correct. 1/4. So when you want to convert into percentage, you are going to multiply it with 100%. 1/4 multiplied with 100%. So 100 is 100/4. So 100/4 will be the, and change it into the lowest form, and how much you will be getting when you are converting 104 to the 845. So yes, 25%. Mahi, Tanvi Bakshi, you're right. So 25% is the correct answer. So in this way, you will take out the percentage of the figure. Let's move to the next figure. This is the figure. So total number of parts over here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are there and 3 parts are colored. So the fraction will become how much? Yes, Vedika, what will be the fraction? Mahi is correct.
Yes, ma'am. Second part, the fraction will be 3/5.
That's right. 3/5. Kavya, Tanvi, Mahi, everybody has given me the answer in the chat box. That's right. So when you are going to multiply it with 100%, you have to multiply it.
The answer.
So what will be the answer?
The answer will be 60%.
That's correct. 300 is 100. 300/5. So when you are dividing 300 by 5, so you are getting 60%. That's the correct answer. So that means we can say that 60% of the figure is colored over here. Yes, right, Bhumi Chaudhary. 60% of the color figure is colored. Yes, Sejal, that's right. So I think this question, do you have any query regarding this question? So in question number 4, A part, 15% of 250. You have to find the value here. So 15% means 15/100, because percent sign means 100th. 100th. Okay? 1/100% means. Of means multiply 250. Okay? So you are going to cut the number. 0 will be cancelled with 0. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. So it will be 15 5s are 75/2. Now you can divide this number. 2 divided by 75. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. 37.5. Clear? In this way, you have to solve this question. Here, percentage will be changed into 100th part and of will be changed into multiplication.